Alright. So I thought I was gonna be on the Airbnb for my whole life. Oh my gosh, it's so comfy. Hopefully I get better sleep now. But we're gonna add a bread for all this extra. One thing I forgot to get was a queen pillow set and stuff. I got one over here for my Airbnb, but I wanted something new, okay? Something fat. But we'll worry about that tomorrow. I did that. Oh my God, I ain't built nothing in so long, y'all. Accomplishment after accomplishment. And then I gotta put up the stuff I bought today. And she's still by the door. She's still. I didn't make my bed so y'all can see my bed. Hold on. It looks so cute. Next, I need to decorate my room. It's so plain. Thanks y'all for watching. Drop purple hearts if you made it to the end.